Okay, Mrs. Stenson, I've got 3 of your
Refrigerator magnets.
refrigerator magnets out there. Can you tell me a little bit about them?
The Red Wing refrigerator magnets are on Christmas socks with 2 candy canes. The magnet itself is hand stitched. Um, you can use it on your refrigerator or any place else that you want to put up a magnet. I also have football magnets. They are also refrigerator. They're on a Christmas sock with 2 candy canes. These are also hand stitched. I can also have, there's other teams available by request. I need a 2-day processing time to fill the orders.
Okay,
Uh,
great.
okay.
Thank you very much.